Water, coal, oil, and gas, and other natural resources work together to make West Virginia one of the great industrial states of our nation. The Great Kanawha Valley, chemical center of the nation. From plants that stretch for miles along the Kanawha and Ohio rivers come thousands of products that help to mold our modern civilization. Drugs and other medical supplies. Dyes for eye-appealing textiles. Nylon from coal, air, and water. Fertilizer for farms and orchards. Paints and lacquers. Antifreeze. Perfumes. Plastics. Explosives. And thousands of other valuable items. The largest plant in the world producing nickel and nickel alloys exclusively is located at Huntington. At Institute, synthetic rubber is manufactured. At Alloy, a leading processor of chrome, steel, and ferrochrome alloys. Other great plants and factories blend the state's wealth of power and water and resources for other West Virginia industries. Electrical products, axes of steel, toy factories to lend a helping hand to old St. Nick, magnificent furniture, buffed into shining beauty, complex knitting machines turn the wool of West Virginia sheep into a continuous flow of sweaters. Sweaters in all styles and colors to rival the hues of the rainbow. Millions of pairs of colorful socks are turned out yearly in this mill at Martinsburg. Gay patterns of plaid, argyle, and figured footwear to appeal to the vanity of Mr. America. At Weirton, red-hot metal is rolled almost paper-thin to be coated with tin in electroplating baths. Gleaming ribbons of tin plate flash through the tireless machines at a rate of 2,000 feet per minute. This West Virginia mill is the greatest independent producer of tin plate in the world, processing enough annually to make a tin can large enough to hold all of the water that flows over Niagara Falls in 2 years, and then some. In the inspection department, every sheet of tin gets individual attention. This is a job for women only, women with a sensitive touch and a quick eye. Baled and stacked, the sheets of tin are ready for market. Back in 1790, Peter Tarr built this iron furnace in the northern panhandle and made cannonballs used by Captain Perry in the War of 1812. Now, in this same region, steel mills have grown into great, sprawling giants. Steel mills that work miracles from the raw materials of the earth. Vast quantities of coal from the mines of West Virginia. Limestone from the rugged hills. Mountains of iron ore from the Mesabi Range. Scrap metal to help turn iron into steel. This is the beginning. In this fiery molten flow lies the promise of a growing, expanding America. Steel, the universal metal upon which our civilization builds and prospers. Bessemer converters, snorting like mythical dragons, burn the impurities from the flaming mass. Open hearth furnaces gleam and glow, burning with temperatures of 3,000 degrees. Liquid steel, tapped from the fiery furnaces to be wrought and shaped in thousands of ways to serve the needs of man. into the blooming mills, through the great rollers, pressed and shaped and cut and rolled. Here is steel for cars, refrigerators, girders, watch springs, more uses than a man can name. Steel, giving its strength to America in peace and war. Steel that holds the spans of mighty bridges and offers necessary support to the youngest generation.